Homemade French toast, goddamn me. There it is right there. That's what happened when you put together a nice recipe right there. Y'all already know what I'm having to drink, my fruit beverage, goddamn me. Every meal I gotta have me some fruit blended up, goddamn me. Down here, this the beverage. I still got a little more sauce down here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and sop that on up real quick, goddamn me. It don't have to be all the way covered. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the rest of it right there. What I got left over, but yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot I gotta grab my butter to put on there. Where is that? Where is that butter at? God damn, yeah. Where is that? Where is that? Oh, right here. So grab me some butter to put in there. Oh yeah. And grab my sup. Definitely gotta have the Aunt Your Mama sup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy. Lord, how much it? Lord, how much it? I can't wait on the butter. I'm starving. I ain't gonna lie. Lord, how much it? Homemade fresh French toast, goddamn me. And I use regular bread. I ain't got no damn Texas toast to use. I had to use what I got. See how that tastes right there. Lord, how much it? That's fresh French toast right there. Got a little sticky right there. Keep me a paper towel right there. Oh yeah. See what we working with. We getting there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lord, how much? Lord, how much?